if you can relax your body, you can relax your mind. And when you relax your body and your mind, you get healing right away. So take some time to really feel your body and feel your body is here. Move a little bit gentle, but at the same time to feel like you could open your heart, open your body to breathe. But at the same time to open your mind to receive the energy of relaxing. Qigong meditation, Qigong practice is opportunity for us to relax our body and to do some movements with awareness, with mindfulness, that you can feel relaxing right away in the present moments. You don't need to wait for the future. If you can relax your body, you can relax your mind. And when you relax your body and your mind, you get healing right away. So take some time to really feel your body and feel your body is here. But the Qigong we practiced this morning, we will practice in such a way that you can feel your body alive. But at the same time, your mind, your intention will be there right away in the present moment with your body, with your mind, with the Sangha, with the whole Sangha, the community. So we are not alone. We take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale. You bring your mind back to the center of your body. Okay? Make the fist with your two hands, and then you move your body to the left and to the right. One hand touch shoulders, your left shoulders. Another hand touch your lower back. Relax and lower down your two knees. Look like you bend a little bit your two knees. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your lower back. Relax your shoulders and your chest. Just move naturally, your shoulders, your arms. And then open your shoulders. Look like you are swimming backwards. Make circle backwards with your two palms, two elbows, arms. Inhale. Exhale. Bend your knees down. Pull stay to the centers. Relax shoulders, palms. Inhale. Exhale. Form your two hands on the top of your head. Heart form. Make circle. And relax your palms, your elbows, upper part of your body. We do reverse. Body. You make close your eyes, and then you relax your neck and your head. Make a circle with that slowly. Bring your intention back to your neck and your head. Do the reverse. That's good. Stand by one leg and relax or make circle also with your wrists and your knees and toes. Keep balance. And do reverse. You can stand by one leg, huh? Yeah, you don't think that you can stand by one leg. That's good. Another leg. Then do reverse. Put your two palms on your waist or hip, and then we make circle. Relax your waist, your hips. You reverse. That's good. To stretch your body to the right. Right hands, elbow will cross your head, and your left palm will be stretched in the back, and you look in the back, and then you raise up your legs, touched by the toes in the back. Inhale, release it. Exhale, in. You stretch your palm out. Turn the other side. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, release it. In, out, in, out. So one more time. Inhale, exhale. That's good. Two palms on the right side. Inhale, raise up energy around your whole body. Exhale. So in, two hands make a circle, but at the same time your whole body generates energy. Inhale, exhale, in, out. One more time. Inhale, exhale. That's good. Open your two palms. Breathe in. Relax. Breathe out. Let go. Letting go your whole worries, fear. Put your two palms in front of your abdomen. So during the Tao exercise, we wish everybody to pay attention here. Lower dantian, one point is right under your navel area. And just pay attention to that and bring your attention down to your lower abdomen. Breathe in, try to breathe in. To feel your lower abdomen rising. Breathe out, pause.